On September 20th, an official welcome ceremony was held in Baku for President of the Republic of Rwanda Paul Kagame, who arrived in the Republic of Azerbaijan for an official visit. A guard of honor was arranged for the President of Rwanda in the square decorated with the national flags of both countries. President of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev welcomed President of Rwanda Paul Kagame.
Karol, faragat! Karolla! Oh! Dikkat sağa!
The chief of the guard of honor reported to the President of Rwanda.
Cenab Ruanda Respublikası'nın prezidenti, sizin Azerbaycan Respublikası'na gelmeniz şerefine Fəxri Qarol düzülür. Qarol reisi Polkovnik Leytenant Kuliyev.
The national anthems of the Republic of Rwanda and the Republic of Azerbaijan were played. The Guard of Honor marched in front of President Ilham Aliyev and President Paul Kagame to the accompaniment of a military march. The presidents posed for official photographs.
Usisahau kusubscribe, like, kushare na kucomment. Baada ya kusubscribe, bonyeza alama ya kengele ili kupata taarifa kwa kila video inayopanda online.